Hey, what's going on, everybody? Peace and love. It's your favorite girl, Isis, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting. I want you guys to know I am elated because why? Tomorrow we're going to be launching the free money app trial chat group, right? So what that basically means is some of you guys been asking me like, well, how does the money app work? How can I get in the money app? How can I make money daily from the money app? Well, now everything that you wanted to know, we're going to be opening up a free trial group. It's opening up tomorrow at 10 a.m. It will be closing at midnight. If you have been super interested, you just haven't took initiative to get into it, take this time to join in while it's free so that you can learn how you can profit off the world's largest financial market it is out there, you guys. So I'm super excited to be bringing this to the community. Like this video, share it, comment below if you want to get into the money app group. I just want you to comment money app below, but definitely share this video if you like this information, or if you know other people that would love to learn how to make money from their cell phones without selling and without recruiting. All you need is Wi-Fi and a brain. All right, you guys, I will see you in the group tomorrow. Share, comment below.